My name is Ingolf Haas and I'm the fourth generation of the Rombach and Haas family. We are a small company focused on the best quality and are still manufacturing a diverse line on cuckoo clocks and other kind of Black Forest clocks. Over 300 years ago, the farmers had no means of generating an income in the wintertime because of the feet of snow that lasted many months. This is why they got the idea to make clocks, just out of the need to make money to survive the season. The whole family would sit together and build the parts which were then assembled to simple clocks. It did not take long until many more farmers adopted this concept themselves, and there was an overproduction. No, there was a clear need for a way to make the clock more attractive and interesting, so that more people would decide to buy one. This is how the shield clock came to be. Farmers found themselves a person who was able to really do a good painting, so he painted Black Forest scenes like flowers, trees, landscapes, people and animals on a timepiece that was called and is called a shield clock. After some time, an even more interesting feature was added. Additional mechanics that created movement. Little wooden figurines moved with the hourly strike or to the movement of the pendulum. And this was the birth of the worldwide renowned Cuckoo clock. But still, these clocks looked like a painted shield clock. In the year 1850, caused by a design competition, the Black Forest people started to use carvings on their cuckoo clocks. The second generation was born and started the Black Forest clock industry. Now, after 300 years of history, famous and loved worldwide, it is still alive. The cuckoo in its clock. But its living space has changed. People's taste has evolved and therefore not every customer would be interested to hang a traditional clock into their living room or the kitchen or even the bedroom. That is how we, that is the company Rombach and Haas, got the inspiration to evolve the idea of the cuckoo clock. A new third generation of cuckoo clocks was born, the modern designed cuckoo clock. Rombach and Haas, the Rombach brand. All of this stands for innovation, for creativity, for the art of craftsmanship. And we want to continue with these values. Rombach clocks, quality from the Black Forest, Germany.